If you've ever wanted to explore the world of mixed media and learn some of the secrets I've discovered in my 30 plus years of teaching, you're in the right place. I want to tell you why I decided to self-publish my brand new book, The Art of Mixed Media, A How-To Guide with yours truly. This book has been a labor of love, and I'm so excited to finally share it with you. You see, I chose to self-publish because I wanted full control over every single page. I wanted to make sure that this book was exactly what my students and followers have been asking for. Something personal, relatable, and packed with practical, easy-to-follow advice. I've poured my heart into this book from start to finish to give you the best of what I've learned over the years. Let me give you a little sneak peek of what's inside. This book covers everything you need to know about mixed media, like how to layer ephemera with acrylics, add depth with gesso, and even discover the magic of charcoal and pastels. I also talk a lot about art supplies, because we all know that's half the fun. You'll find tips on which substrates to use, from 140-pound watercolor paper to wooden panels, and which tools I can't live without. Yes, I'm even sharing my secrets on how I use everyday objects as tools to create texture. I made sure to include my two biggest passions, portraits and abstract art. Portraits because they tell a story, and abstract because it's all about freedom and letting loose. And this book brings two worlds together beautifully. It's about creating art that feels personal, meaningful, and a little bit wild. But here's the thing, this book isn't just my story, it's also shaped by your feedback. After so many conversations with my students and followers, I knew I had to make this book as clear and accessible as possible. You asked for detailed lessons, lots of photos, and more information on supplies, substrates, and techniques. And I delivered. It's designed to be a helpful resource whether you're just starting out or having been a creator for years. And if you've ever felt hesitant about starting or trying something new, let me just share one of my favorite reminders. It's only paper and art supplies. There's no need to stress about getting it perfect. Everything's replaceable, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. Listen to your intuition. It already knows what you're capable of. Trust it, play, and have fun. That's what this book is all about, encouraging you to explore, experiment, and embrace the joy of creating. So if you're ready to dive into mixed media, get inspired, and learn some of my favorite techniques, I'd love for you to check out the book. It's all about making art accessible, fun, and a little bit fearless. Thank you for being here and for your support. I can't wait to see what you create with the tips and inspiration packed into these pages. Click the link to learn more and grab your copy today. I promise you won't regret it.